Hi guys, I hope you're all alright and staying safe in these strange and different times. So I wanted to try and challenge you guys to do something different and embrace the times that we're in right now. So I'm going to set you a cooking challenge, okay? So I'm going to have a go first, and then I want you guys to try and have a go. You obviously making sure that you get the help and permission of your adults and grown-ups first. So I'm going to cook something called Aloo Gobi, which is cauliflower and potato, and I'm going to show you how I make it in an authentic Indian way. To start with, I'm going to prepare my cauliflower and chop my potatoes, and then I'll show you what it looks like in a second. Next, I'm going to blend some garlic and ginger. Right, once I've blended the ginger and garlic, I'm going to chop some chilies. Remember, the chilies are depending on how spicy you like your food, but I've got 5. And that should be more than enough, and obviously I can add more afterwards. So guys, I'm now ready to put everything into the pan. I've got 6 tablespoons of olive oil. I've got 3/4 of a tin of tomatoes. I've got 3 onions, and then in this plate I've got my herbs and spices. So I've got 2 heaped tablespoons of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, which is mixed spices, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and then 2 tablespoons of ajwain seeds, which I had to Google, and I think they're called carom seeds in English. I'm just adding the oil to the pan and let that heat up slightly. And then once that heats up, I'm going to add the ajwain seeds, followed by the onions. Heat up slightly, and then give that a little mix in the pan. And you can smell all the aromas coming out. And once they go slightly golden in colour, we'll add the onions in now as well. Just be careful, make sure you get the help of an adult to do this part as well, because it may splash. So now that the onions have gone a slightly golden colour, I'm going to add the ginger and the garlic to it, and then give this a mix until they start to stick to the bottom of the pan, and then you know they're ready. Now, as you can see, the onions and the ginger and garlic have just started to stick slightly to the bottom of the pan, and then this is the time where we add in, and then just make sure if they are turning hard to break them up. Now I'm going to add all of the herbs and spices in, and it all goes in all at once. I'm going to mix in all of the herbs and spices until all the flavours are coming out and start to stick slightly to the bottom of the pan. Right, as you can see, it's starting to stick slightly to the pan, so this is now ready to put the cauliflower and the potato in. Okay, so I'll go in. And any excess water that came out when we washed it, that will go in also. I'm going to give it a good mix so that all of the cauliflower and potato gets the flavours into it. I'm just going to check to see if it's nearly ready. You can see lots of water has come out of it. I'm just going to try and pierce one of the potatoes. And it's not quite ready yet, so it might leave it for another 10 minutes or so. come back in a minute. Right, so I'm going to check if it is now done. It is, and as you can see, if you just try and pierce one of the potatoes, it should go through quite easily like that. So it is ready. Now I'm going to put the heat up and just try and dry up all of the excess water. All the water is dried up and just slightly sticking to the pan. I'm going to turn that off, and when it comes to serving time, I'm going to chop up some coriander leaves and sprinkle them over the top. And that's it. Here you go guys, the finished thing, served with some chapatis and yogurt, and got some coriander leaves on top. So there you have it, my Aloo Gobi. And I would like to see how you guys challenge yourself or whatever you guys make. So please send it on our school Twitter page or as an email to your class teachers. Stay safe and hope to see you soon. Bye!